Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fried bean sprout with tofu for dinner. It is simple and very delicious. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 320 grams of bean sprout, wash, clean, and soak to prevent oxidation. 250 grams of pre-fried soft tofu, wash. 30 grams of red chili, cut into long strips. 1.5 tablespoons of tempura flour. I am using Gogi brand from Thailand. However, any tempura flour will do as well. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil, 75 grams of spring onions, cut and separate the white stems and the leaves, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 250 grams of oil for deep frying. The full list of the ingredients are in the See More link. Prepare the oil for deep frying. Switch on the heat and allow the oil to get hot enough for frying. This will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Next, cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. These 2 blocks will yield 24 pieces of tofu. Alright, tofu is ready. Sprinkle and coat tofu with tempura flour. Ensure all are well coated. Now, let's fry it. The oil is hot and ready. Scoop the tofu piece by piece and carefully drop it in the hot oil. Avoid pouring them in all at once, as it can cause oil splashing, which is quite dangerous. Fry the tofu for 2 minutes or until golden brown at the bottom. Flip the tofu to the other side and continue to fry for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, they are all well cooked and perfectly brown. Take them out from the oil and rest them on the strainer to drip off the excess oil. Switch off the heat and leave it aside. Next, cook the bean sprout in another pan. Switch on the heat, put in all the bean sprout and the white stems of the spring onions. Stir and mix for 1 minute to allow the bean sprout to absorb the heat. Add in salt and stir. Cover the pan to let the heat soften the bean sprout for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, stir the vegetables. The bean sprout are slightly soft and have released some gravy in the pan. Add in pepper, sesame oil, oyster sauce, garlic oil, and chili. Stir and mix for about 45 seconds or until well combined. Once the bean sprout have cooked, they tend to release a lot of liquid. So we have some gravy in the pan, which we will remove to prevent the tofu from becoming soggy later on. Switch off the heat, remove all the gravy from the pan. Put the pan back on the stove and turn on the heat again. Add in the leaf part of the spring onions and half of the crispy fried garlic. Leave the other half for garnishing. Give it a couple of stirs. Switch off the heat. Add in all the fried tofu. Give it a stir. And we are done. Very simple. Let's dish out and serve. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. Let's eat! Yes, really delicious and flavorful. The bean sprouts are tasty and very crunchy. The tofu is good, crispy on the outside and soft from the inside. Perfect combination. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.